Assalamu alaikum, my fellows. Today we will have a lecture on drugs affecting on osteoporosis. Here is the picture, uh, and we'll start from here. Bone is a mineralized connective tissue that exhibits four types of cells: osteoblasts, bone lining cells, osteocytes, and osteoclasts. Bone exerts important functions in the body, such as locomotion, support, and protection if soft tissues, calcium and phosphate storage, and harboring of bone marrow. Bones are mostly made of the protein collagen, which forms a soft framework. The mineral calcium phosphate hardens this framework, giving it strength. More than 99% of our body's calcium is held in our bones and teeth. So this is the picture of a bone. This is the microscopic picture of a bone. This is the outer side, it's cartilage, articular cartilage. And this is the compact bone. So the macrostructure, the micro, then the nanostructure. This is the sub-nanostructure. It's completely zoomed. So we can see here the nano details of the bone. This is the collagen fibrin. Going on next. So osteoporosis is a health condition that weakens bones, making them fragile and more likely to break. Like if a person is having osteoporosis, then he or she has uh, very soft bones. You can say it's soft or they are weak. They are not as much as strong as a healthy person or a person not having osteoporosis, a normal person. And it develops slowly over several years and is often only diagnosed when a fall or sudden impact causes a bone to break. Fracture. The most common injuries in people with osteoporosis are broken wrist, broken hip, broken spinal bones. However, breaks can also happen in other bones, such as the arm or pelvis. Sometimes a cuff or sneeze can cause a broken rib or the partial collapse of one of the bones in the spine. Osteoporosis is not usually painful until a bone is broken, but broken bones in the spine are common cause of long-term pain. Although a broken bone is often the first sign of osteoporosis, some older people develop the characteristic stooped, bent forward posture. It happens when the bones in the spine have broken, making it difficult to support the weight of the body. Going on next, losing bone is a normal part of aging, but some people lose bone much faster than normal. This can lead to osteoporosis and increased risk of broken bones. Women also lose bone rapidly in the first few years after the menopause. Women are more at risk of osteoporosis than men, particularly if the menopause begins early, before the age of 45, or they have had their ovaries removed. However, osteoporosis can also affect men, younger women, and children. Many other factors can also increase the risk of developing osteoporosis, including taking high dose steroid tablets for more than 3 months, other medical conditions such as inflammatory conditions, hormone related conditions, or malabsorption problems. A family history of osteoporosis, particularly a hip fracture in a parent, long-term use of certain medicines that can affect bone strength or hormone levels, such as anti-estrogen tablets that many women take after breast cancer. Having having had an eating disorder such as anorexia or bulimia, having a low body mass index BMI, not exercising regularly, heavy drinking, and smoking. Many diseases and disorders have been associated with osteoporosis. For some underlying mechanism influencing the bone's metabolism is straightforward, wherefore the For other, the causes are multiple or unknown. Hypogonadal states can cause secondary osteoporosis. Women estrogen deficiency, men testosterone deficiency. Endocrine disorders that can induce bone loss include Cushing syndrome, hyperparathyroidism, hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, diabetes mellitus type 1 and 2, malnutrition, perinatal nutrition, and malabsorption. People with rheumatologic disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, systematic lupus, erythematosus, and polyarticular juvenile idiopathic arthritis. Chronic kidney diseases can lead to renal osteodystrophy, hematologic disorders, several inherited disorders, people with scoliosis, people with Parkinson's disease. Moving forward, this is a picture of normal bone matrix, and this is the picture of a person having osteoporosis. Osteoporosis occurs when bones lose minerals such as calcium more quickly than the body can replace them, leading to a loss of bone thickness, bone mass, or density. As a result, bones become thinner and less dense, so that even a minor bump or accident can cause a serious fracture. These are known as fragility or minimal trauma fractures. Two-thirds of the fractures of the spine are not identified or treated, even though they nearly all cause pain and disability. Osteoporosis can be easily diagnosed on special type of X-ray known as DEXA scan. This machine determines bone minerals density (BMD). Bone densitometry DEXA uses a very small dose of radiation to produce pictures of the inside of the body to measure bone minerals density or bone mass. Moving next. So this is the class drugs affecting on osteoporosis. Biophosphonates are clodronate, alendronate, ibendronate, zoledronic acid. Monoclonal antibody medications are denosumab, romosozumab. Hormone-related therapies. Relax, raloxifene, estrogen replacement therapy. It's for women. Testosterone replacement therapy. It's for men. Parathyroid hormone. Teriparatide, Forteo. Abaloparatide, Timlos. Calcitonin, Mia calcium. Calcium vitamin D supplements, Fortico. So the biphosphonates are first generation MCET, medronate, chlordronate, arditronate, and toluronate. Second generation AP, aminobiphosphates, alendronate and pamidronate contains a nitrogen group in the side chain, 10 to 100 times more potent than the first generation compounds. Third generation RG, risdronate and zoledronate contains a nitrogen atom with a heterocyclic ring that are up to 10,000 times more potent than first generation agents. Monoclonal antibody medications. Prolia is an anti-resorptive rank ligand inhibitor, and its mechanism is an essential mediator of osteoclast activity. Increased rank ligand may lead to increased bone loss. Prolia targets and binds rank ligand, inhibiting osteoclast formation, function, and survival. Treatment of post-menopausal women with osteoporosis at high risk of fracture. Treatment to increase bone mass in men with osteoporosis. Treatment of glucocorticoid-induced osteoporosis. Treatment of bone loss in men receiving androgen deprivation therapy for prostate cancer. Treatment of bone loss in women receiving adjuvant aromatase inhibitor therapy for breast cancer. Injection given by a healthcare provider twice a year. Moving next. Estrogen replacement therapy. It's for women. The mechanism of action of raloxifene occurs through binding to estrogen receptors. This binding results in activation of estrogenic pathways, estrogen agonistic effect, and blockade estrogenic antagonistic effect in tissues that express estrogen receptors. The recommended dose for osteoporosis is 60 mg early age day. Most common documented adverse effects of raloxifene are hot flashes, flu-like symptoms, muscle spasm, arthralgia. Less common effects are insomnia, vomiting, cyanosis, deep venous thrombosis. Testosterone replacement therapy. It's for men. In some studies, osteoporotic men undergoing TRT have been shown to have increased bone density, though BMD does not reach normal adult male levels. This is the mechanism of action. Testosterone and its androgenic metabolite dihydrotestosterone exert biological effects directly through binding to the androgen receptor and indirectly through aromatase of testosterone to estradiol, which allows action via binding to the estrogen receptor ER. Side effects include irritation, redness, pain, tenderness, swelling, toughening, or blistering of gums, stinging or swelling of lips, unpleasant or bitter tasting mouth, difficulty tasting food, headache, acne, breast pain, or enlargement. Biphosphonate, the class is biphosphonate and the drug is alendronate. Dosing is daily or weekly tablet or weekly effervescent tablet that should dissolve in water. Uh, its work is also written strengthen bones by slowing the rate at which osteoclasts move bone. Its side effects include gastrointestinal problems such as trouble swallowing, inflammation of the esophagus, and ulcerostenosis, death of bone tissues in the jaw, and it's very rare. Second drug is ibandronate. The dosing is monthly tablet or injection every 3 months, and it works like strengthens bones by slowing the rate at which osteoclasts move bone. Its side effects include fracture of the thigh bone femur with more than 5 years of use, and it's also very rare. Third drug is risidronate. It can be taken daily, weekly, or monthly. It also strengthens the bones like the other ones. Side effects include irritation at injection, side flu-like symptoms, headache, muscle aches, fever, fracture of the thigh bone, and it's also rare. There are some other drugs. Calcitonin is the class, and the drug is calcitonin. Daily nasal spray or injection inhibits bone removal by osteoclasts and increase the rate of new bone formation by osteoblasts. Side effects include allergic reaction, small increase in cancer risk. It's a very huge risk. Taking a medicine like this, which includes a cancer risk, is very risky. Parathyroid hormone drug is teriparatide. Daily injection should be taken. Increase the number of bones forming osteoblasts. Leg cramps, dizziness, nausea is the side effect. Monoclonal antibody, denosumab. A dosing is injection given by a healthcare provider twice a year. Prevents the development of bone removing osteoclasts. Side effects include low blood calcium, skin infection, and rash, osteonecrosis of the jaw, and it's very rare. Fracture of the thigh bone, it's also very rare. Forteo is a prescription medicine used to treat postmenopausal women who have osteoporosis, who are at high risk of having broken bones, fractures, or who cannot use the osteoporosis treatments. Each cartridge pre-assembled in delivery device delivers 20 mcg of teriparatide per dose each day up to 28 days. Teriparatide is manufactured using a strain of Escherichia coli modified by recombination of DNA technology. Teriparatide is a potent anabolic agent used in the treatment of osteoporosis. Common side effects include these are the side effects of Forteo: nausea, joint ache, cheese, and pain. Baloparatide, it's the brand name. Its brand name is Timlos, and this is the quantity: pre-filled pen with 30 daily doses of 80 mg. This is a Maya calcium nasal spray. Calcium D3 Nicom 4 regulates calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the body, bones, teeth, hair, muscle, etc. Decreases resorption and increased bone density, filling the lack of calcium and vitamin D3 in the body required for mineralization of teeth. One pill 2 times a day stop the osteoporosis. Thank you everyone for today's lecture.